Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Kase Peak Oscillator. So let us start by adding the oscillator to the chart. All right, here we go. So this is a technical indicator designed to identify overbought and oversold conditions using advanced smoothing techniques. All right, it measures momentum and highlights extreme price levels where the market may be stretched. Okay, so these extremes um, can signal potential reversal zones or areas where price may slow down. Now you will notice that the indicator uh, it moves above and below a zero level. All right, and then in addition to that, it helps us to identify divergence. Right, you can see here identifying a bullish divergence. You can see lower low on the price chart, and then you can see higher low on the indicator. So it helps us identify divergence, and you can see that right after that we had a bullish move to the upside. Okay, so this indicator actually helps us identify divergence. You can see here again there was lower high, and here we actually had a higher low, and guess what, after that you can see we had a sell move to the downside. Okay, so one of the strengths of this indicator is its ability to adapt to market volatility, making it more responsive than traditional oscillators. All right, traders often look for peaks in the oscillator um, to identify potential turning points. All right, so when the oscillator peaks, and then especially when it gives a divergence signal, it might be a good time to consider trading, based on that signal. But always ensure that you get your confirmations. All right, overall the Kase Peak Oscillator is useful for spotting exhaustion in market moves. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.